Charles Leo O'Connor was a U.S. Navy veteran of World War I and served as one of 8 body bearers during the funeral for the unknown soldier on November 11, 1921. O'Connor was born in 1886 in North Cambridge, Massachusetts. In 1913, he enlisted in the Navy and served on the USS Mount Vernon, where he was awarded the Distinguished Service Medal for extraordinary heroism on 5 September 1918. On that day, the Mount Vernon was sailing near the coast of France when it was struck by German torpedoes, which set off a series of explosions in the ship's boiler room. 35 men were killed and O'Connor was severely wounded, suffering burns on much of his body. Yet he continued to perform his duties in the ship's boiler room. Nearly 3 years later, O'Connor was chosen as one of 2 Navy petty officers to be one of 8 body bearers to transport the World War I unknown from the Capitol Rotunda to a caisson for the large ceremonial procession to Arlington National Cemetery. O'Connor is remembered for his heroic service in World War I and his participation in the unknown soldier's funeral. Charles Leo O'Connor's grave is located here in Section 17.